Hey folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas. I got a couple of things I want to go over today, and I know you've seen them in the past. I got another car right behind me that you can see. I would like to sell it. But this car, 1980 Corvette L82, very original car. We just put new leather seats in it. The other ones, from sun and that kind of damage, but we put new seats in it, I put new door panels in it. Red with the oyster white interior. It's a real L82 car, automatic, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, all the good stuff. It's got an aftermarket radio system in it. It is a great car. You can get in this car and drive it anywhere you'd like. But I think it's time for a new owner. We've had it long enough, I've enjoyed it enough. So, I've got something else I'd like to buy. One more thing, thank you for watching Lone Star Muscle. Keep watching, we got more episodes coming. So folks, if you're out there, come down and see us. Let's go for a test drive right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.